Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm coming at you guys with another unboxing video. Skar Audio had a 20% off everything on their website for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I figured it'd be a good time to get some cheap subs to throw in the daily driver. Let's check them out. Alright, so we've got some speaker wire that I ordered. It's a 12 gauge speaker wire. Let's get into that. Now let's see what these subs look like. So here we have a user's manual. Skar Audio decal. And here's our Skar Audio IX12. I went with the 4 ohm version. Got a dual voice coil. The website had them at $250 RMS each. But here you can see the magnet. And there's the sub. Not a bad looking sub for $40. So I got 2 of these that I'm going to be throwing in a fake Pro Box that I got for a deal on eBay as well. We got like $200 tied into it. So we'll get it all hooked up and wired in and see how it sounds. Alright, so I got the speakers in the sub box, but I did have a mishap. The drill got away from me a little bit. As you can see right there, I just siliconed it. It's been siliconed for about 24 hours. Should be good to go. Gonna go ahead and get that thrown in here now. Gains are set and everything is tucked up under the back seat. Only thing left to do is turn it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, so I'm gonna try to talk over the music just a little bit to try to avoid the YouTube recognition service from flagging my video. But yeah, as you guys can hear it, doesn't sound too bad. Y'all excuse the mess, I moved everything to the front seat that was under my seat. So it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but it is shaking the rear view. Sounds really good inside. Gotta keep that Lysol on deck these days. And again, y'all excuse the mess. Final thoughts on these subs. Hey man, for $50 subs, they ain't bad at all. They got good build quality. They sound good too. Now, like you saw in the video, they're not gonna dog walk the shit out of your cell phone across the roof or anything like that. But these are only getting $250 RMS each, and I got them in a sealed enclosure. Now, as far as longevity goes, I've only had them a day. We'll see as time goes on how long they really last. Now, as you saw, my drill slipped and nicked the foam, the rubber foam on the subwoofer, and it didn't go all the way through. So I will say that the foam on it seems to be of pretty good build quality, as is the case with most of the Skar Audio subs that I've seen. The sub itself does feel a little papery, a little flimsy, but again, it's a $50 sub. It's a budget sub. You can't expect top-notch shit for 50 bucks. If you guys got any questions, comments, or concerns, y'all hit me up and let me know. If you have the Skar Audio IX in a ported box, comment a link to your video because I'd love to check them out, because I'm sure in a ported box they'd hit even harder. Hey man, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stay safe out there.